Hello students, today I am going to teach you to find the cubes and cube roots. So first of all, I would like to define what is cube. Cube. Cube of a number is that cube of a number is that number raised the power power 3. Clear? What is cube? Cube of a number is that number raised the power 3. If a number is multiplied 3 times, the result will be cube. Have you understood? For example, 2 raised the power 3. 2 raised the power 3. It means 2 is multiplied 3 times. So result is 8. Result is 8. Therefore the cube of 2 is 8. Have you understood? Next, 3 raised the power 3. It means 3 is multiplied 3 times. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, so it will be 27. Minus 4 raised the power 3. Minus 4 raised the power 3. It means minus 4 also multiplied 3 times. Minus 4 also multiplied 3 times. So, you know the rules of multiplication. Minus minus, it will multiply minus with minus, result will be positive. It means 60. First I multiplied minus 4 with minus 4. So, it will be plus 16. Again, I have to multiply minus 4 with 16. So, result will be minus 64. So, cube of minus 4 is 64. So, to check the given natural number or any number is a perfect cube or not, for that you have to keep these points in your mind. To check the given number is perfect cube or not, so for this you have to check. And how you will check the given number is perfect cube or not? So first step, like this square I told to you, first of all factorization method I told to you, prime factorization method. So in cube also we will apply same method. First of all, make the prime factors of the given number. Make prime factors of the given number. Of the given number. Understood? You already know what are prime numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself are called prime numbers. Or other way you can explain, if any number is having only 2 factors, it means the number is divisible by only 2 numbers, are called prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, these are the examples of prime numbers. Only one even prime number is 2, rest are odd prime numbers. Have you understood? So you have to learn this thing. So what are prime numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself are called prime numbers. 2 is only one even prime number, rest are odd prime numbers. So first of all, make prime factors of the given number. Second step, make the groups of three same factors. Make the groups of three make the factors of 3 is same factors. Understood? After that, step number 3, after making the factors, if there is ungrouped factors, if there is ungrouped factors means after making the group of 3 factors, if some numbers are left, then the given number will be not perfect cube. If all are making the groups, then the given number will be perfect cubes. If there is ungrouped factors, then number will not be a perfect cube. If there is no ungrouped factors, then number will be perfect cube. Have you understood? Once again, I am repeating these steps. So first of all, make prime factors of the given number. Then make groups. In each group, you have to keep 3 same type. If any factor is left, it means the given number is not perfect cube. If all the factors are making the groups, then the given number is perfect cube. For example, take any number. So 27, for example, 27. Make prime factors. This is not divisible by 2. So I will start by 3. 3 9 is 27. 3 3 is 7. 3 3 is 1. So 27 can be written 3 multiply 3. So same factor is coming 3 times. It means this is perfect cube. Have you understood? Next, 225. Now I will check this is perfect cube or not. So start with 3 because this is divisible by 3. Check the sum of the digits. Digits are 2, 2 and 5. Their sum is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So this number also will be divisible by 3. You know the rules of divisibility. So start with 3. 3 7 is 21. 3 5 is 75. Again by 3. 25. Now 5 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 1. So factors of 225. Factors of 225 are 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. Same factor is not coming 3 times. So they are not making groups. So they are ungrouped. It means this is not perfect cube. This is not a perfect cube because if 3 is 3 times and 5 also 3 times, so there was cube groups. So because 3 2 times and 5 also 2 times, so they are not coming 3 times. So this is not a perfect cube. Have you understood? Okay, so this is the method to check the given number is perfect cube or not. After that, you have to find cube roots. Cube roots. So you have to keep these things in your mind. Properties of cube roots. Properties of cube roots. What are the properties of cube roots? Cube of a natural number will be natural. First, cube of a natural number will be natural. Second, cube of, you can take any example, 2 is natural number and cube of 2 also will be natural. It means 2 to the 4 to the 8. So this will be equal to 8. So cube of natural number is natural. Second property, cube of even number will be even. Cube of even number will be even. For example, 2 raised to the power 3, 8. 2 is even and result also even. So cube of even number will be even. Third, cube of odd number will be odd. Cube of odd number will be odd. 3 is odd number. 3 cube is 27. So 27 is odd. Understood? So cube of even number will be even and cube of odd number will be odd. Next, cube of negative number will be negative. Cube of negative number will be negative. Minus 3 cube. Minus 3 cube means minus 3 multiplied 3 times. So you know the rules. Minus 3 multiplied minus 3 plus 9. Again multiply by minus 3. So minus 27. So cube of negative number will be negative. Cube of positive number will be positive. So these are the main steps, main properties of cubes. Now, how to find the cube roots by using prime factorization method? So to find the cubes by prime factorization method, How you find the cube roots? So, to find the cube roots, first of all, make prime factors. So, take any statement 1728. 1728. So, we have to find the cube roots. So, like square root, this symbol stands for square root. To find cube roots, so raise the power 3. This symbol stands for cube roots. Now 1728. 1728. So make prime factors. Make prime factors. Start with 2. 2 8 are 16. 2 8 are 16. 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are 8. Again by 2. 2 4 are 8. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. Again by 2. 2 2 are 4. 2 1 are 2. 2 6 are 12. Again by 2. 2 1 are 2. Now 1 is not divisible by 2. So we need one more digit. It means 6. So we will put here 0. 8. 2 5 are 10. 2 4 are 8. Again by 2. Divide by 2. Result is 27. Now 27 is not divisible by 2. So take 3. 3 9 are 27. Again by 3. 3 3 are 1. Again by 3 1. So we have to find the cube root. Cube root of we have to find the cube root of 1728 by factorization method. So make groups of 3 same number. So same vectors. So this is the first group, this is second group, and this is third group. So this is perfect cube. This is perfect cube. So 1728 will be equal to 2 cube. It means 2 is multiplied 3 times. You can write 2 cube. This also 2 cube. This also 3 cube. So 1728 is equal to 2 raised the power 3, 2 raised the power 3, 3 raised the power 3. So take cube roots. So after taking cube roots, result is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So it will be 12. So cube roots of 1728 is 12. So this is the method for finding the cube roots by prime factorization method. In next discussion, we will discuss to find the cube roots by using identities.